Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming accounts and connectivity. Sign into Apple ID on your iPhone and confirm Apple Music is active. On the Ps5, make sure it's online and the media player or music app is available. Once done, enable Bluetooth on the phone and keep a cable nearby. This saves time if wireless fails. Now open Apple Music on your phone and prepare to use the control center. We'll use the phone as the controller and the Ps5 as the audio output. Next, stream to the Ps5. From Apple Music open Control Center and tap AirPlay to locate the Ps5 or an Apple TV/AirPlay receiver connected to the console. If Ps5 doesn't advertise AirPlay, try Bluetooth pairing through Ps5 settings or use a third-party casting app that the console supports. Make sure you accept any pairing prompts on the Ps5 and grant media playback permissions. This step links the phone's audio. To finish, begin playback in Apple Music and verify audio comes from the Ps5 speakers or TV. Use the phone to pause, skip, and change volume while adjusting Ps5 sound settings if levels don't match. If you encounter lag or dropouts, switch to a wired connection or reboot your router and devices. That often resolves buffering. If pairing repeatedly fails, sign out of Apple ID on both devices and sign back in. One key tip: update firmware and app versions before troubleshooting further.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.